Hi! Yes, it's time to reveal you an unboxing. I got it for months, guys. Seriously. Let's talk about. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm bag passionate, French bag collector, fashion lover, and above all, Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do video both in English and French, so please enjoy them. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you love this kind of content. I'm a bad girl. I am really a bad girl because, as you can see, I've got something in this bag from Longchamp and I did not show it to you, and I got it since August, beginning August. It's not a joke, guys. It's just on purpose. Yes, it's something I do on purpose because the bag I'm going to reveal you, I know I would only use it in this period. Now we are December, and I know I want it for this, but I got the opportunity to buy it right now, so I've done it. Before, just let me show you. Today I've got a quite casual style. It's a mom jean. You can't really see it, and I just put my sweatshirt inside. I love the side, and my bag of the day was this one. Of course, I've got a coat, and seriously, guys, I love the shape, and I am really enjoying this little cutie. It's really a nice bag, a nice little bag. So yes, I just wanted to show you the bag and the outfit of the day. But let's go back to the unboxing because yes, you maybe click on this video for the unboxing. So let's go right now. I don't ask for a box because I've got too many boxes, so please excuse me, I just have a dust bag and this is quite okay for me. I'm running after places now. So yes, why did I pick? And I got this little cutie. I bought this summer just when it was launched. In fact, my boutique in Avignon, I went and I bought this one, and they told me, okay, we will have them next week. Please confirm us which color. And in fact, look, I chose the orange, but in fact, I was really interested by all the colors. Seriously, guys, just by showing the pic on the website, I fall in love. But I told them, okay, you cannot bring all the bag, so I asked for the orange, the pink and the green. They were both gorgeous, but I already have a bunch of green bag, and the pink one, which is really gorgeous, is really a nice shade of pink. I thought to myself, okay, you already have a bunch of lilac color bag. You have a boxtrot in orange, but you know orange is such a color that you can wear all year long. So finally I went for the orange one. And guys, look at this cutie. I fall in love with the shape. The shape is really nice. And I fall in love also for this metal part. It's quite big, guys. Let's have a comparison between this thing, you know, okay, it's black, but you know, it's the double of a size. But guys, that's the very first time that Longchamp made this kind of metal piece. And I think it was just gorgeous dangling here on the bag. And the thing I really like was the strap. Look at this, I hope you can see. It is written Longchamp. You see? The strap is not adjustable, but you can remove it. And I also love the fact on this bag that we have for once an additional strap, a chain strap, which is of course not adjustable, but you can also remove it. And when I see the bag, I told myself, okay, this is quite unusual. It's such a nice style. The leather. I will come with me, guys. Look at the leather. It's not the same as Pliage Extra. It's another type. It's a very smooth one. It's not grain. It looks like grain leather, but it's not. And oh my God, guys, it's a pleasure to touch it. Seriously, I love it. So really, I was in love just by the general aspect of the bag and this detail. I love the way that you've got this part of leather, which is covering the zip. And I was especially happy it is silver hardware. So I went for this bag, and the price, and this is something funny, but because I just look at the American website, and in fact, guys, you already have sales. I paid for this bag 350 euro, and in USA and North America, in fact, the bag retails for 430, and now it is on sale. This color and the pink one are on sale, and it's only, if I remember well, $301. But the new colors, because I've done a review about the new item, the new colors are less expensive on the American website. It's now $390. So that's funny because it was at $450 and now it's $390. On the French website, we don't have a sale at the moment. We will have a winter sale after Christmas and New Year's Eve in January, really later. But the new colors are now 360 euro, so 10 euro more. That was for the price. I will write the dimension of the bag, but as you can tell, it's a small one, but it is already bigger than the Roseau, you know, the Roseau Essential one, which was really, really too little. This one can fit more. So let's open it and I show you the inside. You can see it's not the ruban jacquard, the traditional ruban jacquard. You just have the horses, and I quite like it. You've got a flap pocket. Okay, this is the Longchamp tag. You've got a flap pocket and one main compartment. So nothing crazy, guys. Nothing crazy, but I do love this inside, seriously. And I will take my essential. I will transfer my essential from this one to this one. So you can see, but in fact, it is really tight here. It's not wider as this one, you see. Let's compare them. So let me show you. I've got my compact wallet. It fits. I've got my car document. Oh, my phone fits. I don't have it, but I've got a card holder. You see? And I have some tissues. You see? I can put a lipstick, a pen. You see? And let's close it. So everything fits really nicely, really more than the Roseau that I tried. So when I see that, I said, okay, it's so cute. I am really happy that we've got two straps. I know a lot of people will be disappointed that the main strap is not adjustable, and I can understand you guys. On my body size, it's okay because I'm too little. But you know, Longchamp is also selling adjustable straps, so You can mix them, it's not a problem, and just take this one for shoulder carrying. I'm going to show you. So the bag, you can wear it like this. You can have it like this. I think it's really cute. You can have it like this. I'm really happy with the style. And of course, not with a coat. I tried with a coat and it's okay for me, but for people higher than me, I think with a coat you cannot wear it crossbody, but in summer it will be okay. It's like this. So seriously, I repeat, I am a petite. It's the perfect size, but you can add another strap since the two straps are removable. And I was also very tempted by this one because look what I can do. Let me show you the detail. It's so cute, it's so shiny. You've got the horses, I don't know, yes, you can see on both straps. And this one, and I can also place it on this one. I don't put it in the hole, I just put it on the second hook because I am afraid it does not enter, but you can do like this and you have also a chain on this one. I think it's quite funny. And of course you can just wear your bag like this without the strap if it bothers you. It's not a problem, the bag in itself, it's super cute. I am really crazy about this one. I do think it's a nice little bag for running errands, for just party, it would be great. And it's another vibe, and I think half moon bag is the trend at the moment. Of course, I will keep you informed about the warranty. That's all for today, guys. Please tell me in the comment below if you also love this bag. What do you think of it? Do you plan to buy it, or you buy it and you love it, or you really dislike it? Please tell me everything. I will be more than happy to read your comments about this. Stay tuned, more videos are coming. I repeat, this one is on sale on the US website, and so maybe in the future for European people it will be also on sale, but in January. Thanks for watching, have a great day, take care. See you soon, guys, bye bye.